Adding some tassels or fringe to your knits is a great way to add a fun decorative element and can even help cover up some wonky edges. So let's start by using an item to wrap your tassels around. And I like to use an object almost everybody has, which is a cell phone. So what you're gonna do is take whatever yarn you're using. It can be the same color, it can be a different color, and I'm gonna wrap it around the phone lengthwise 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now I gather them at the top and hold them there. I'm going to take my scissors, cut from that end, and then cut down here so that you have all these separated pieces. Okay, so make sure you're holding them in the center and that they're even-ish down at the bottom. It doesn't matter if they're perfectly even down here. I'm going to set that aside, and I would recommend starting in this corner stitch down at the bottom and go in. You can go in back to front or front to back. Just make sure you do the same way every single time. And then take the center of your strands and pull it through. And you want to make a big enough loop that you can reach through and pull those ends in. Now you're going to want to tighten up. Make sure you're not tugging on your knit. Make sure you're tugging kind of like you would tighten a tie. So very gently pull. It makes this lovely little knot. I think it's called a lark's head. And then we can move on, and I'm not going to go in to the stitch right next to it. I'll probably go in one over. Got to make our tassels first though. Okay. So I'll show you this again. I think I went a little out of frame last time. So wrap around 1, 2, 3. You can cut there, gather at the top, and then just right down through the center. Try to get a better angle for you. And then you have your 3 strands. Set them aside. Okay, so I'm going to kind of adjust my knitting so I can see this next stitch, or second to next, I guess. Put my crochet hook through, grab the center, pull those through. So I didn't get this one quite as lined up evenly as the last one, but that's okay because I made them a little bit longer than I intended to leave them. Okay, so when you are all done working your way across, you can decide if you want them trimmed or not. I kind of like them not evened out, but I'm gonna just trim these up just to show you what they look like. So I've already trimmed these down here. Might even them up just a little more. Also might help if you have like a book or something that you want to lay straight across. Be careful. I'm one of those people that, like if I'm writing a sentence on a blank sheet of paper, it'll start curving upwards, and I'll do that on my fringe as well. So just keep taking a look and making sure you're not cutting like that or something. So just go slow. And there they look, all trimmed up, nice and professional looking, ready to wear.